In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add time entries for clients in QuickBooks Accountant using single, weekly, break, and time clock. Let's get started right inside QuickBooks Accountant on your desktop. First, log in, then head to the left navigation and click Clients under the section labeled Your Practice. This is where you'll see all the organizations you manage. Select the client you want to work with so the client's overview opens. From here, look for the Your Books section and click Time. On the Time page, choose Time Entries to see the list and tools you'll use. At the top right, click Add Time Entry. This is your launch point for all the options we'll cover. If you want to record a single block of hours for a specific day, choose Single Time Entry. Pick the date, assign the correct employee, and select the related project or task so the time is tracked to the right place. Enter the number of hours worked, and if helpful, add notes with details like what was accomplished or any client context. This makes reporting and invoicing clearer later. When everything looks right, click Save. If you're capturing time across multiple days at once, choose Weekly Time Entry. You'll enter hours for several days on one screen, which is great for routine schedules. Assign the employee, then select the project or task for each day you're recording. Take a moment to confirm the totals before you save, especially if hours vary by day. When you're done, click Save. For breaks, select Break. Here, you'll record a break period by entering the start time and the end time, then assign the employee. Make sure the break fits within the work period and doesn't overlap other entries. Accurate break tracking helps keep your time records clean and consistent. Click Save when finished. If you need to capture time as work happens, use Time Clock. Start the timer for the employee to begin tracking hours in real time. This is perfect when tasks kick off quickly and you don't want to forget the start time. When the work is finished, stop the timer to automatically log the entry. Before you press Start, double-check the employee and project or task so the time lands in the right place. Repeat these steps as needed for any additional entries. You can return to Add Time Entry at any time and use whichever option fits the situation best. That's how you add time entries for clients in QuickBooks Accountant using single, weekly, break, and time clock options. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.